Alright, today I'm working on another one of these brother machines, these lightweight ones that don't have a frame inside. It's just basically a plastic body that everything's attached to. These are cheaper machines. There's quite a few of them out there. This one today is an XL-2600, and it's having a problem that I've talked about before, and a lot of these machines have. For some reason, the bobbin winder isn't functioning. It's not rotating and winding a bobbin according to the customer. I've already taken out all the screws and everything, and I'm going to pop it open. I'm pretty much guessing it's going to be the same as usual, which is the bobbin winder tire, which looks like this, is most likely going to be like liquefied, like a gooey, sticky mess inside. And let's find out if that's true. All right. So that's going to be up in here. Maybe I should stand this up. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. So right in here, this is where that winder tire should be, and you've got this black goo everywhere, same as usual. I don't know if this is caused by leaving your car out in the heat and that rubber just melts, or if it's something to do with interacting with the lubricants that are in this area and the clutch, and that it just breaks down that tire. But yeah, we're going to need to put a new one of these on there, but first we're going to have to clean this whole area out. So if you have one of these brothers and your, sorry, my fingers, and your winder tire stops turning, it's most likely caused by this. Let's see if we can move this across. Yeah, here's some more of that tire. Not much left of it. It's just a gooey, sticky mess. So I'm going to clean that all out as best I can, and then remove that winder assembly with this mounting screw here. Take this out, clean this up some more, and put a new tire on there, and then we should be good to go again. Again, I have no idea why this is happening to these machines, but it's pretty common. And a little walkthrough here, you can see there is no frame to this machine. The shafts are hooked right to the plastic body, which means that the upper and lower have a lot of flexibility. So the clearance between the needle and the hook is supposed to be very, very small. And if you've got a flexible situation like this, that's going to vary and skip stitches and everything. So with these models, you have to have everything screwed tightly together, the front and the back of the machine, to hold it together enough that it will be able to form a stitch. The other thing that's really crazy about these cheaper machines, and I can't believe they kind of went in this direction, is that the hook itself is actually all plastic. So the hook race is plastic, and even the hook is made of plastic, which that's kind of unbelievable to me. I mean, it kind of takes it into the realm of a toy, not an actual functional tool. You don't have something like that made out of plastic. I mean, that's pretty unbelievable. But you know, they're really shooting for profit margins, and these end up being disposable machines. They don't last very long at all, and then they just go into landfill, which is really unfortunate. So I mean, if you can't afford a machine better than this, I would do it. If it weighs nothing, it's probably got all plastic inside of it. It needs to have a little bit of weight to it. I wouldn't spend anything less than $300 on a sewing machine. If you are, you can pretty much expect this kind of stuff. So, happy sewing, and see you next time.